In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a single answer in Google Forms. If you've ever tested a form, received a duplicate submission, or noticed an entry that shouldn't be in your results, this quick process will help you clean things up without affecting the rest of your data. First, open your Google form. You can do this from your Google Drive or by going directly to the Forms link if you have it saved. Make sure you're looking at the editing view of the form, not the preview that respondents see. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the editing toolbar and the tabs across the top. At the top of the editor, click the Responses tab. This tab sits alongside Questions and Settings. You'll also see a number badge here that shows how many total submissions your form has collected. The Responses tab is where all your submissions live, and where you can manage, review, and, when needed, delete individual entries. Inside Responses, switch to the individual view by clicking the person icon. This view lets you look at each submission one at a time, which is exactly what we need. It differs from the Summary view, which aggregates charts and totals, and from the Question view, which groups answers by question. Individual is the most precise way to confirm you're looking at the exact response you want to remove. Now, navigate to the specific response you want to delete. Use the left and right arrows near the top to move through submissions. You'll see something like 1 of 24, which helps you keep track of your place. Take a moment to scan the response details to be absolutely sure you've selected the correct entry. When you're ready, click the trash can icon labeled Delete Response in the top right of that submission. Google Forms will ask you to confirm, since this action can't be undone. Confirm the deletion, and that single response will be removed from your form's results. This won't delete your entire dataset or change your form questions. It only removes the specific entry you selected. A quick note for those who have linked the form to a spreadsheet. Deleting a response in Google Forms may not remove the corresponding row in the spreadsheet. Keep that in mind if you're reconciling data across both places. And that's it. You've opened your form, gone to Responses, switched to the individual view, found the exact submission, and deleted it safely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your form results accurate and tidy.